Here we're looking at the Dow, where you are seeing prices trying to bounce back up and not able to break over the midpoint just yet on the weekly. This is that 16,550 level, and it is also at the 21-day moving average, still having a tough time kind of breaking back over that range. But really, so far, it's kind of right at the midpoint of the swing here as it tries to come back. Now, of course, any big breakthrough their range, I would just really be anticipating any resistance. There's plenty of resistance at the 17,000 level, but you'd really have to see a good break through this 16,600 to even get that test to 17,000. And then even there, we have major resistance at the 17,200 and 17,000, as we already saw as this first swing back low occurred right at that 16, around 16,900. So traders, I think, are going to probably see this make a retest, very likely. But as you could see here, it's still holding the trend line on the longer, on this rally back. But again, it has to maintain it and can't break through this level. Also, otherwise, we'll see a deep correction action, which could be likely. So that's going to be a important scenario here, and I think a lot of the positions that I did get is related to that. I think that we could be seeing another retest, and that's how we're playing. Keep in mind, with a lot of stocks on the board, some of this we're going to update those that are needed, and some that just seem, the move is not that dramatic. We're going to, or if everything's pretty much the same, we won't update that, but you'll be able to see by the left-hand side if it's been updated. But for the most part, I'm going to try to do it as many as I can. But with the additional, it gets difficult to kind of update all of them, and sometimes it's really, nothing to really update with. But for the most part, we're going to try to get as many of them as we can, but there's a lot on the board now and a lot of ideas, so we'll see how that plays out. Anyway, watch for the big break through any of these prior lows, especially this 16,450 level.